Madam Speaker, I rise to respond to the question raised by Honorable Likimbia on the status of the pending application for appointment of Justice of Peace. As of today, Fiji has a total of 673 Justices of Peace. Between January 2025 and the 31st of July of this year, the Ministry of Justice has received 80 applications for JP appointments. They will be swearing in the month of December for about 30 other new JPs. Given the important role JPs play in supporting the justice system, serving the communities, it is essential that we conduct a thorough and transparent vetting process. This process naturally requires time to ensure all applicants meet the required standards of integrity, competence, and community standing. As of October 2025, a total of 38 applicants have been interviewed, with 33 from Central Division, 2 from Western Division, 3 from Northern Division. The remaining 42 applications, 7 in the Central Division, 32 in the Western Division, and 3 in the Northern Division, are scheduled to be interviewed this month. Madam Speaker, I would like to also acknowledge the presence of the JP from Mundu Koro, Tevita, who is sitting in the gallery. He's doing a wonderful job doing JP service, not only in Koro, it's also when it comes to Suva, comes to our office to attend to the members of the public who come. And I also urge the Ministry of Itauke and the Minister for Regional Development in terms of the officers to apply for JP services so that the people out in the maritime areas can be assisted. Yesterday I received a call from a police officer in Kandau. Apparently the summon, they have to come back to Suba to issue a new summon because there is no JP in Wonwambalam. And urge MPs who, in your respective areas, if you can also liaise with people who you believe can be a good candidate for JPs, so that they can provide the service that is so central in the daily lives of our community members. All interviews are conducted by 2 executive officers from Justice of Peace based in Suva. These officers travel to the Western, Northern, to carry out interviews to ensure equal access and consistency in selection process. Following the completion of the interview process and under the advisement of the High Court, an induction and swearing-in ceremony for successful applicants is scheduled to take place on February of next year. Also note that under the law, all MPs are JPs. I'm liaising with my permanent secretaries so that all the MPs can be sworn in terms of their role as JPs. The Ministry of Justice remains committed to ensuring that the appointment process of Justice of Peace continues to be fair, credible, and merit-based, reflecting the high standard expected of individuals who serve in the public in its capacity. The Ministry of Justice has a new JP policy, allowance policy in place that is being trialed for the first batch of payment made last month to 103 non-civil servants JPs. We will review the policy within the next 6 months to determine the number of civil servants who are JPs and whose peers approved for their service provision, and that their service provision does not impact the delivery of daily service as per their role as civil servants. The Ministry of Justice continues to remind all JPs to please submit all the requirements to enable payment of the $100 a month JP allowance. The complete forms must be submitted to the Ministry of Justice, and upon verification, payment will be made to the JPs. We continue to impress upon all JPs that they must act with integrity, fairness, justice, and within the rule of law for the critical community service that they provide. In the last parliamentary session, Honorable Maharaj asked about the context of the JPs. It's already on the website. All you have to do, click to www.justice.fiji. It will indicate the JP, where they're located, and in what division. Thank you, Madam Speaker.